If you want to lock apps on Samsung Galaxy A37, then unfortunately there is no dedicated feature, no dedicated option or setting that would allow you to just simply create a password for specific apps. However, there is an alternative. We can use the secure folder and use it as a way to lock our apps. So how we can do this? First, we need to go to settings. Then we need to scroll down and we want to open security and privacy. There we go. Then in here, we're gonna go to more security settings. And then we want to choose the secure folder. Now we need to set it up. So we're gonna tap on continue. Then we need to grant permissions. Of course, you need to have a Samsung account to be able to use the secure folder. And in the meantime, before we proceed, I can explain how it works. So generally speaking, the secure folder is like a private separated space that is separated from everything that we have outside of the secure folder. It is like an individual instance or individual space, and in there you can install apps, just like you can install on your phone. And whatever you install inside that secure folder, all the data that you have in here, and also this includes files, all of that is just separated. So if you have an app outside of the secure folder, and then you also have an app inside the secure folder, these two apps, while they are of course the same, they contain different data because the secure folder is just simply separated, as I mentioned. So this can be used in order to lock a password. We just install an app inside the secure folder, the app that we want to lock, and then we can uninstall the same app from our phone. Of course, before you uninstall the app completely from your phone, you want to make sure that everything is set up in the secure folder properly. I mean, in the case of the app that you want to lock. And this is how we can, of course, use the password. So now we have to choose the password for the secure folder. So we can use pin code, password, or pattern. In my case, I'm going to use an example pattern. We need to enter our password twice in order to continue. You can also use your Samsung account to be able to recover the password in case you forget it. So, of course, it is recommended to use that option. And then we can go next. In here, we can choose what should happen when we lock the secure folder. So we can, for example, allow background activity while the secure folder is locked, or you can just close all apps while locked. Then we have the information about the fact that you can hide the secure folders if you wish to keep your locked files and apps hidden. Then of course you can try to do so over here. And after that, we immediately go to our secure folder. Now the secure folder is in the app drawer. We can find it in the app drawer over here. And now in order to lock an app, let's say I'm gonna choose a couple of apps. For example, I'm gonna try to lock TikTok, Threads, and yeah, let's use these two apps as an example. So now after going to the secure folder, I can use this plus, and then in here I have the list of installed apps on my phone. So I can choose apps that I want to lock. So it was Threads and TikTok, there we go. And then I can add them into the secure folder. And now these apps have not been moved. As I said, they are being installed in the secure folder, so they have no data whatsoever. If I open them, I will not be logged into my accounts, and so on and so forth. So make sure to do that before we move on to the next step. Also, you do not have to have the app already installed on your phone. If you are installing your apps and you know you will want it to be locked, you can just install the app from the Play Store or Galaxy Store inside the secure folder. So if I now go to the Play Store, if I install an app, it is going to be installed in the secure folder only, not on your phone outside of the secure folder. So now that we have apps in here, of course, we can lock our secure folder. There we go. Now I still have the same apps over here. In the app drawer. So now I'm just gonna uninstall these apps. There we go. So this is the one, and then I'm gonna also uninstall the other one. There we go. And as you can see now, these apps are gone. But if I open the secure folder, there we go, then I should still have these apps in here in the secure folder, and I can open them, I can use them without any problem whatsoever. You can use the secure folder in order to lock your apps like that. And besides that, of course, in order to access these apps, you will have to go to the secure folder, but you can also create a home screen shortcut. So if I press and hold my finger on an app inside the secure folder, I can choose to add to home screen. There we go. I can do the same thing for the second app as well, of course. And now I can quickly open these apps in here. And as you can see here, if I tap on them, then I can just straight away just open them without an issue. And of course, if you want these apps to require the password, you need to make sure that the secure folder is locked. So you need to either go to the secure folder and tap on these three dots here on the right side, and then we have lock and exit. Or you can try to manage settings. So in here, we should be able to find auto lock secure folder, and then you can choose when the secure folder should be automatically locked. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.